When it comes to enjoying a perfect cup of coffee at home, this Nespresso Vertuo Next coffee and espresso maker by Breville takes the experience to a whole new level. With its slim design, precision brewing technology, and smart connectivity, this machine makes brewing premium quality coffee effortless. Whether you're a fan of rich espressos or smooth coffee blends, the Vertuo Next ensures every cup is an indulgence. In this detailed review, we'll explore the features that set the Nespresso Vertuo Next apart, why it's worth the investment, and what makes it one of the most exciting coffee makers on the market today. For coffee enthusiasts who seek convenience without compromising on taste, the Nespresso Vertuo Next stands out as a game-changer. This machine caters to various preferences, offering 5 cup sizes at the touch of a button, including espresso, double espresso, gran lungo, coffee, and alto. Whether you want a quick espresso shot or a larger cup to savor, the Vertuo Next has you covered. What truly elevates the Nespresso Vertuo Next is its precision brewing technology. Each Nespresso Vertuo capsule is designed with a barcode that the machine reads, automatically adjusting brewing parameters to extract the perfect amount of coffee every time. The result? A smooth, full-bodied coffee topped with a rich, velvety layer of crema. In addition to delivering premium coffee, the Nespresso Vertuo Next boasts a sleek and modern design that fits perfectly in any kitchen. Measuring just 5.5 inches wide, it's one of the most compact coffee machines available. But don't let its small size fool you. This machine is powerful. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the Vertuo Next is also eco-friendly. Made from 54% recycled plastics, this coffee maker reflects Nespresso's commitment to sustainability. Its capsules are fully recyclable, and Nespresso offers a free recycling program for aluminum capsules, making it easier than ever to reduce your environmental impact while enjoying premium coffee. One of the unique features of the Vertuo Next is its ability to connect to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, ensuring the machine stays up to date with the latest software. This connectivity ensures you always have the best brewing experience possible and allows the machine to offer continuous improvements over time. This feature is ideal for tech-savvy coffee lovers who appreciate convenience and want to stay connected, even when it comes to their coffee routine. Nespresso is renowned for offering a wide array of coffee options, and the Vertuo Next is no exception. With over 40 specialty Vertuo coffee blends available, from bold and robust to smooth and mild, there's a flavor for every palate. Plus, Nespresso frequently introduces limited edition flavors, so you can always try something new. Your Vertuo Next machine comes with a complimentary tasting pack, so you can sample a variety of flavors right out of the box. Note, the assortment may vary. The Nespresso Vertuo Next coffee and espresso maker by Breville is perfect for anyone who enjoys high-quality coffee without the hassle of manual brewing. It's designed for 1. Busy professionals who need their coffee quickly with minimal effort. 2. Coffee aficionados who appreciate the variety of flavors and the ability to brew espresso and full cups. 3. Eco-conscious consumers who want a machine made from recycled materials and the option to recycle capsules. 4. Tech enthusiasts who value smart connectivity and a machine that stays up to date. Customers rave about the Nespresso Vertuo Next for its ease of use and consistent quality. Many users love the fact that the machine reads the barcode on each capsule, ensuring perfect brewing every time. The compact size also makes it a hit with those who have limited counter space but still want a machine that delivers on taste and quality. While some users note that the capsules are exclusive to Nespresso and can be pricier than traditional coffee grounds, they agree that the convenience and quality are worth the cost. Plus, with Nespresso's recycling program, many users feel good about their choice to reduce waste while enjoying premium coffee. The final verdict: should you buy the Nespresso Vertuo Next? The Nespresso Vertuo Next is more than just a coffee maker. It's a coffee experience. Its precision brewing, sustainability features, and smart connectivity make it a standout choice for coffee lovers who want convenience without sacrificing quality. If you're someone who values a variety of coffee options and enjoys tech-driven appliances, the Vertuo Next is an investment worth making. With the ability to brew 5 different cup sizes and access a wide range of coffee flavors, this machine ensures you'll never get bored with your coffee routine. Add in the fact that it's made from recycled materials and has a compact, sleek design, and it's clear that the Nespresso Vertuo Next is a top contender for anyone looking to elevate their coffee game at home. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.